Write formula for star to delta and delta to star transformation. Answer: star to delta conversion. Here we can see this is a star connection and this is a delta connection. Now to convert star into its equivalent delta form, we have to find RA, RB and RC. Now to find RA is equal to R1 into R2. That is, this R1 into R2, then plus R2 into R3, then plus R3 into R1. So here R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R3 into R1. Now it is divided by, we have to find this RA, so it will be divided by this value R1, which is the opposite of this RA. So the opposite of this RA is R1. So here this will be R1. Now to find RB, again same, R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R3 into R1 divided by, now we have to find this RB. Now opposite of this RB is this R2. So here this will be R2. Same for RC, same numerator and denominator will be opposite of this RC. So opposite of this RC is R3. So this is how we can convert star into its equivalent delta form. Now we have to convert delta into its equivalent star form. So here we can see this is a delta, we have to convert it into its equivalent star form. So to convert it into its equivalent star form, we have to find R1, R2 and R3. So here this R1 will be equal to, this will be here, this will be R1. So R1 will be equal to this value, that is RC multiplied by RB. So RC into RB divided by addition of all the resistance, that is RA plus RB plus RC. So here we can see this R1 is equal to RC into RB divided by RA plus RB plus RC. Now to find R2, we have to find this R2. So here this will be R2. Here R2 will be equal to RC into RA divided by addition of all RA plus RB plus RC. R2 is equal to RC into RA divided by addition of all resistance. Same for R3. So R3 will be equal to, here this will be R3. So RA into RB divided by addition of all the resistance. In case of delta to star conversion, the denominator is same. And in case of star to delta conversion, the numerator is same.